This is an introduction to using a gaming mouse to tie accelerator keys to programmable buttons. Used in conjunction with the keyboard, these keys can save hours of workbook development time. The screen shows the profile of a Logitech G600 gaming mouse. Each programmable key may contain up to 2 control keys and an alphanumeric value. I hold down the control key and tilt the mouse wheel to the left to go home. I hold down the control key and hit the arrow keys to move horizontally and vertically throughout the workbook. Similarly, I hold down the Shift and Control keys and press the arrow keys to select various sections of the worksheet. Programmable keys can also be used to manage input commands, delete, backspace, undo, etc. The accelerator, alternate plus equals sign, can be used to sum columns by a single click of the button. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Tying programmable keys to your macros will only be limited by your imagination.